Hey, British Columbia, Sheldon, Truck Hunter, BC, working out of Barnes, Wheaton, GM in beautiful South Surrey or White Rock. Happy to be back in the GM world. Happy to be here showing you the 2020 Chev Silverado LT Trail Boss. Comes with the factory 2-inch body lift, more aggressive Wrangler all-terrain rubber on it. Does of course have the dual exhaust, the tow package, has a spray and liner, 5.3 liter V8, 355 horsepower, 383 pounds of torque, and it will tow up to 9,300 pounds. Does come with remote start, power driver's seat. Sorry about the beeping. Does have fog lights. Does have your Apple CarPlay, your Android Auto, backup camera, the trailer lights of course when you do hook up to it. And there's your brake controller as well. Let's get rid of the beeping. It is a 40-20-40 split for the front seats, so it does have this fold down console in it. So you can put an extra butt in there. There is storage under that seat too. It does have the all-weather liners on it to protect the carpet. Has connectivity in the back for cell phone charging as well. Lots of room, spacious. Got the black tube running boards on it. Factory powertrain warranty. We take trades, financing on site. Give me a call, British Columbia. In business to do business. 604-362-2922. Thanks for stopping by.